Hello everyone, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the browser that you are using. Now tap on More icon, which is 3+1 in the right upper corner, and click on History. Here select Clear Browsing Data, and now go through Basic and Advanced options. Mark those that you want to get rid of. Select the time range, so you can remove data from past hour, day, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, however you prefer. And tap on Clear Data then. Tap on Clear. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.